Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. I
Hello
hope
everyone.
everything is okay with you.
These occasions we are going to discuss
Here
about comparative
you
and
can
superlative.
see me again.
We are going to
in
elaborate
English
one by one
studies.
what
And
is comparative
today
and
we
what
are
is
going to
superlative,
elaborate about
and
comparative
we
and
will discuss
superlatives.
about the examples about comparative and superlatives over there. Comparatives and superlative is a little bit different. Comparative and superlative is a little bit different. There are some kinds of comparative and superlative, but we are going to discuss it here about comparative and superlative using adjective. Okay.
Comparative is to compare one to one. I will give you an example. When you want to compare one car to another car, you compare one person to another person. Let's say you compare Umar to Andre Taulani. It is one person to one person. You compare Ferrari to Innova. It is you compare one car to another car. It is comparative. On the other hand, when you are going to elaborate about superlative, superlative is comparative as well, but it is to compare one to many. For example, one car to two or more cars. Compare one person to two or more persons. For example, you compare Umar to other students in the classroom. In the classroom there are many students. You compare Umar to other students. It is superlative. Now we try to come into the what we call formula, comparative and superlative. You can use your hand, everybody. How can we use our hand? Let's say it is number one, one syllable, short. Oke, dikepalin dulu tangannya, dikepalin kayak mau mukul gitu. Ketika nggak usah kenceng-kenceng, one syllable, short. Keluarin jempolnya cuma satu, short. Kayak cheap, cuman satu, cheap, small. Itu one syllable namanya. Tapi kalau nomor 2, two syllables ending y, yang akhirannya y. Crazy, berarti jempol dan telunjuk yang keluar. Satu jempol, z, dua telunjuk. Satu jempol dan satu telunjuk. Crazy. Jadi itu syllables namanya. Lazy, gitu. Le itu jempol, z-nya telunjuk gitu. Lazy, happy. Itu one syllable. Tapi kalau short, cheap itu cuman jempolnya karena nggak ada syllable yang lain ini. Short, cheap, small, high. Itu namanya one syllable. Kalau two syllables ending y, crazy, lazy, happy, pretty. Itu jadi yang keluar adalah jempol dan telunjuk. Itu syllables namanya. Nah, ketika dia masuk ke komparatif, untuk number 1 and number 2 itu menggunakan er. Tapi ketika menggunakan superlatif, pakainya the, kemudian apa yang mau yang mau dibandingin, misalnya short, the shortest, kayak gitu. Tapi kalau di komparatif nanti short, shorter, gitu ya. Nanti di slide berikutnya nanti yang akan kita bahas lebih jauh. Two syllables only, two syllables only. Handsome, nggak akhiran y. Crowded, itu. Nah, di komparatif kita menggunakan more, dan superlatifnya menggunakan the most, karena dia membandingkan satu ke banyak. Nah, yang keempat, more than two syllables. Apa itu more than two syllables? Expensive. Nah, yang keluar akhirnya adalah jempol, telunjuk, dan jari tengah. Expensive, beautiful, sophisticated. Nah, yang sophisticated dia keluar semua 5 jari. Ngepas. Itu namanya syllables, teman-teman. Nah, kemudian ada yang tidak masuk pada poin 1 dan 4, irregular. Good. Kalau ngikutin syllables maka dia ada di nomor 1, gooder. Ternyata tidak bisa menjadi better. Bad menjadi worse. Dia tidak beraturan, maka masuk kategori nomor 5. Seperti itu. Nah, examples of comparative, everyone. One syllable ya. Feby is tall. Nah, ini tall ya. Feby is tall. When we compare Feby to Husnul, Feby is taller than Husnul. Person to person. Ya. Feby is taller than Husnul. ER ya, ininya penggantiannya. One syllable. Husnul is shorter than Feby. Two syllables ending Y. Sule is crazier than Aziz. Crazy. Nah, Y-nya diganti I, kemudian baru ditambahin S. Luna Maya is prettier than Omas. Ya, it is examples of comparative 1 to 1. Two syllables only. Handsome. Andre is more handsome than Parto. Jakarta is more crowded than Cirebon. Nah, more than two syllables-nya gimana, Pak? Sport car is more expensive than family car. Nah, Luna Maya is more beautiful than Omas. Nah, irregular adjective, grade 8 is better than grade 7. Nilai 8 lebih baik dibanding nilai 7. Nilai 7 lebih buruk dibanding nilai 8. Nah, itu. Grade 7 is worse. Grade 7 is worse than grade 8. Gitu ya. Nah, itu. It is examples of comparative. Examples of superlative. Here we comes examples of superlative. When it is one syllable ya. Feby is the tallest student in the class. So, when we compare Feby to other girls in the classroom or other students in the classroom. So, superlative is comparing one to many. The tallest student in the class. One syllable ya. Using est. Tanpa ada den lagi. Kenapa? Karena kan sudah jelas. Membandingkannya ke banyak. Ya. Student A is the shortest student in the class. Two syllables ending Y. Sule is the craziest comedian in OVJ. Kita membandingkan Sule ke banyak komedian yang ada di OVJ. The craziest comedian in OVJ. Two syllables only. Andre is the most handsome comedian. Andre is the most handsome comedian in OVJ. Nah, itu pakainya the most. Karena dia two syllables only. Kalau craziest itu ending Y, two syllables-nya. Nah, kalau more than two syllables itu sama dengan two syllables only. The sport car is the most expensive car in the world. Kalau irregular yang tadinya good, kalau di komparatifnya menggunakan better, kalau di irregular menggunakan the best. Grade 10 is the best grade. Nah, gitu. Berarti membandingkan apa? Ya 9, 8, 7 dan yang lainnya. Gitu. Kalau worse, the worst. Yang tadinya worse tulisannya WORSE berubah menjadi WORST. W ada D-nya di depan. The worst. Ya, gitu.